Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you why you need concrete leveling tripods if you're doing flooring. So this is a vinyl floor I just almost finished yesterday, and before subfloor was very ugly, and I will show you what kind of subfloor and how to level it. On the entrance we have, I remove poly, and there is, you see how big hole is. And also this side, they didn't remove poly all the way, and I wanna do it now, and we will see what the another hole. So I bought the foam, and I wanna spray foam, and then to do leveling when it's expanded. Now I finish seal the walls. I put strips on the wall to protect the leaks and connection self-leveling compound with walls, and put silicone on the bottom. You see the orange strips. So, and this room has so many turns and dark spots, like under the stairs was spot which is you can check there if you don't have laser and special tools, how you can level that spot if you don't know either high or low. So I took the laser, which is I'm using if you saw my videos, and this laser showed me, I put on some places, you know, just check where is the high and low spots, and I try to match this laser line with entrance. I can change the height of the subfloor on the front of the staircase and level so high on the bottom stair, under the bottom stair. It's maximum I can do it, maybe quarter, 1/8. So here is the, you can see if you have reflection, green reflection on the subfloor, it means this is the highest spot. So what now what I can see here. So I slide the laser down and up. You see on front of the entrance we have the, oh, you see we have the green spot. It means this is the highest spot. Also in this right side the highest spot, because we have reflection. Here is the high spot. So we have to move laser little bit up when this high spot will not be visible with green shadow. You see we still have it. So almost. So I am just moving laser up and down. Because you know some side is too low, sometimes some side. But now it's good. But we have the corner which is still high. But and so you see on the sides we have some green shadow. Right here it's almost inch down, this spot. On the front we can put around the quarter. And now what I'm doing, I'm checking how much self-leveling compound I have to put. You see a lot. It's just this spot on the side of the staircase. So now I have to transfer the line to the corner, because under the stairs there is a spot which is we can't see how much we have to put. So on front of this I'm just take the pencil and mark on the on this on the wall. I make mark, and then I will move the laser, and then I set up tripod under the stair. Also, with pencil I'm marking the high spot, because when I take off the laser I can see exactly where is, when I do leveling, I can see exactly where is the high spot. High spot, when you're doing leveling, you have to smooth it out only. What you see, when I transfer the line and then I install laser laser line with that marks, now I install a tripod in this dark spot, under the staircase. Very nice picture. So if you don't have these special tools, how you can make how you can check how much you have to put in self-leveling compound? Now it's really visible. So for this small place I used 12 bags of self-leveling compound. Most of it was under the staircase and on front from the left side from the staircase. What I showed was very low. Laser level and tripods, very helpful tools to make level in any shape of room. Most of flooring is sloping down, or very deep spots on the middle, on some sides. And these tools help me to finish job very fast, make perfect level, and I don't have any problem in the future. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.